Am I the only one that didn't know Ready or Not got censored for consoles? Yep, things have changed, and not everyone's happy. Let's break down what actually happened. Ready or Not used to be one of the grittiest shooters around. Think intense violence, dark themes, and nothing held back. But for its big console debut, the devs made some major changes. No more dismembering corpses after they're down. Nudity? Gone. And that disturbing child scene? The kid now just looks asleep and the needle's missing. Why? Console platforms like PlayStation and Xbox have strict content rules, and global age ratings demanded a cleaner cut. The developers said these changes were non-negotiable if the game was going to launch everywhere. Fans, though, weren't thrilled. Steam reviews got bombed, with players upset over losing that raw, dark vibe and worried about devs changing games after you've already bought them. So did Ready or Not go too far? Or is this just the price of going mainstream? What do you think?